Hi, this is Dr. Antolak from thegentlедentist.com. We're in Shelby Township, Michigan. Our phone number at the office is 586-247-3500. And today we are actually in Columbus, Ohio with my assistant Becky, and we are taking a course on how to help people with their headaches using trigger point injections, using Botox. And what we've done is pretty amazing, because Becky, I told her I wanted to come down to this course for people who I was not able to treat their headaches and their issues that they have with their jaw pain and TM joint pain. And she said, sign me up, because she's had these issues. And so I'm just going to have Becky tell her story, what it was like literally an hour ago and what she's feeling now. And so you'll obviously see her when you come into the office. So take it away.
Hi, I came in this morning. I actually accidentally, I guess on purpose, subconsciously forgot my occlusal guard, which I've had for 20 years. I've been suffering from migraines for about that time. I have daily dose of a preventative migraine medicine that I take, and this morning, of course, because I forgot my occlusal guard, I woke up with a migraine. So while the doctor was in class, I was waiting because it wasn't time for the patients yet. They called me in. Thank goodness I was the first one to be treated. And I have now had all of the things that they've learned and talked about, and I can tell you right now, without any of my medication, I'm out of pain.
That's awesome, man.
And it's almost weird for me because I would be very anxious that it would turn into a full-blown migraine that would be debilitating for the day. And I was getting worried about our trip home and being nauseous and all of that. And I feel great. So, yeah.
Yeah, that's awesome. Yeah, I'm so happy to put your mask on. We're in COVID times, so I'm just very excited the fact that now a lot of the questions are not questions, but inability to help people out feels like this is one of the unanswered questions that I finally have been able to come up with an answer. So if you're having pain, especially these migraine pain and using trigger points, it's just like fascinating to me. After 34 years of practicing, I'm finally getting some information and getting some answers that I never had before. So please give us a call at our office, 586-247-3500. We'll take care of your needs. And thank you. God bless.